This is Jason's Electronics Repair, and welcome to my ER. Today we're going to be making some shields for the Nintendo Switch out of a bad Switch shield here. This goes on the back, it's broken, I got to put a new one on the unit, and to be honest with you, I think the unit's dead, so we're just going to proceed here with making a shield for this area over here where BQ is. See if we can come up with a nice shield to protect this area from heat when we rework the BQ area. Now, I was told that you can use one of these PlayStation 4 encoder shields. I'm not sure how he figured on doing that because it has a lip on it and it really doesn't fit in between that capacitor. So I guess you could go like that. And it's a semi-good fit, but I'm going to make a better fitting unit here. Now, if we look at this stuff is pretty thin. It will fit in between that capacitor and that connector. Pretty good. So we're going to use this here. So what I need to do is I need to cut me a piece. Okay, so let's check this right here. And that looks like it will be good to go there. So how wide do I need this shield? So it needs to be about this wide right there. So I'm going to make me a cut right there. So I'm just going to cut this with these scissors. I'm going to cut it just like so and cut me out a nice little shield. It's got a little end on there. What I can do is I can bend this back flat. And it's got me a nice little lip right there to fit on my BQ area, just like so. Now it's a little bit long, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to. So I want to be able to Kapton tape this on, and I don't want it this long, so I'm going to cut it. Cut it right here, right there, like that, and that will, if we tape that down like so, actually what I might do is flatten this out, this section out right here. What you can do to flatten these out, you can take a metal block like so, hammer it flat like that. We got a little bow to it, so we'll hammer out the bow. Nice little flat unit here, and we'll see if that fits any better. Now see, that fits. It's a little too tall, but it fits. So we can either go like this. Now it almost fits level with the board. If I come here like so, and I come in here and I make a bend right there. A bend like so. There we go, just like that. Now I can slide this on there. and I can tape it and it'll be good to go. So there we go. I have a little shield for my BQ chip. Needs a little bit more work, but you can simply take one of these old shields and put it on here and you are good to go. I'm actually going to cut this off right here. I'm actually going to cut that off and I'm going to hammer that flat again. Just like that. Now I'm just going to use this piece right here and a little bit of Kapton tape. And good to go. Just wrap a piece of Kapton tape around there and there's my BQ shield. So there we go. So there's my BQ shield. And then you could do the same thing in this area up here. You know, you have the power connector and this flex. Say you want to, you want to get this LCD connector off here. You can make a shield to go over here. To cover this area, you can cover you can make shields to cover, whatever you need to cover here, connector wise. So, I don't know why you need to cover these, but this is another common one right here. So that would go like so. So let's see here. Line it up there and pin that up like that. So that is good to go right there. Flatten this out. It's got some bends and hooks in it. There we go. Now we can slide this on here like that. So there, that connector is there. And we can bend it again on this line right here. So this has got little dots on it, and because of that, you can bend it on the dots. These aren't small enough, so let me grab my smaller ones here. Let me get this lined up here, and then we'll bend it there. We'll come over here and bend it there. There we go. And then now it's a little bit crooked, but that's fine. But you see here how I have this it's like a taco, and this will just slide on there like that. So there we go. So now we shielded that with a little taco. So we just bent that, made some marks on it, and we now have a little shield that slides on there like a taco and protects that connector. So that's good to go on that. You can cut it a little bit shorter. You can leave it long, however you want to do it. I'll probably make it a little bit shorter. So, but that's basic connector shielding. There's all kinds of different ways you can shield connectors. I know the Nintendo Switch Lite has a lot of sections that you need to shield connectors. You can use these shields for that also. You can also use, I just got these Micro-Mage Repair, another YouTuber, fantastic, recommended these little copper shims. So I may try these. I don't know how I feel about them, but I like my little custom shield making type of thingamabobber. So right at 10 minutes on this. So again, you can use a PlayStation 4 encoder shield. You can use an old one of these Nintendo Switch brackets, make yourself a little slip-on shield, make yourself a shield you can tape on like so. Probably even with a little bit of bending and folding, you can make a shield that slides on here. I might do that in the future. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a fantastic day.